Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn 7 ways to improve gut health. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. There are around 40 trillion bacteria in your body, most of which are found in your gut. Collectively, they are known as your gut microbiome, and they are incredibly important for overall health. However, certain types of bacteria in your intestines can also contribute to many diseases. Many factors, including the foods you eat, can impact the type of bacteria found in your digestive tract. Here are 7 ways to improve gut health. Number 1. Eat lots of vegetables, legumes, beans, and fruit. Fruits and vegetables are the best sources of nutrients for a healthy microbiome. They are high in fiber, which your body can't digest. However, certain bacteria in your gut can digest fiber, which stimulates their growth. Beans and legumes also contain very high amounts of fiber. One study found that following a diet rich in fruits and vegetables prevented the growth of some disease-causing bacteria. Apples, artichokes, blueberries, almonds, and pistachios have also all been shown to increase bifidobacteria in humans. Bifidobacteria are considered beneficial bacteria, as they can help prevent intestinal inflammation and enhance gut health. Number 2. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods have undergone fermentation, a process in which the sugars they contain are broken down by yeast or bacteria. Some examples of fermented foods are yogurt and sauerkraut. Many of these foods are rich in lactobacilli, a type of bacteria that can benefit your health. Research shows that people who eat a lot of yogurt appear to have more lactobacilli in their intestines. These people also have less Enterobacteriaceae, which is a type of bacteria associated with inflammation and a number of chronic conditions. Similarly, a number of studies have shown that yogurt consumption can improve intestinal bacteria and decrease symptoms of lactose intolerance. Number 3. Keep up with oral hygiene. Brush and floss your teeth regularly. Having regular dental cleanings and checkups may not seem to be important to a healthy microbiome, but studies at Cornell University and in Sweden have found that bacteria from your mouth can get into your stomach and cause problems. Limit sugary foods, said Susan Mintz, of Brunswick County Health Department in Bolivia, North Carolina. In addition to being inflammatory to the system, sugar can cause yeast to grow and it can throw off delicate gut balances. In addition, avoid pre-packaged foods and stay away from processed foods. Number 4. Limit artificial sweetener. Research studies with animals have found artificial sweeteners to have a negative effect on the microbiome. Rats given aspartame had increased blood sugars and were unable to use the insulin their bodies made properly. Another human trial showed the same blood sugar increase. For gut health, it may be best to avoid artificial sweeteners altogether. Number 5. Probiotics. Probiotic bacteria work to keep the community of microorganisms in your gut, and throughout the rest of your body, in a healthy, balanced state. We get them primarily from eating fiber-rich foods, which promote the growth of friendly bacteria, as well as from fermented foods. Supplements can also deliver them in concentrated form. Number 6. Eat whole grains. Whole grains contain lots of fiber and non-digestible carbs, such as beta-glucan. These carbs are not absorbed in the small intestine and instead make their way to the large intestine to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Research suggests that whole grains can promote the growth of bifidobacteria, lactobacilli, and bacteroidetes in humans. In these studies, whole grains also increased feelings of fullness and reduced inflammation and certain risk factors for heart disease. Number 7. Eat foods rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols are plant compounds that have many health benefits, including reductions in blood pressure, inflammation, cholesterol levels, and oxidative stress. Human cells can't always digest polyphenols. Because they aren't absorbed efficiently, most polyphenols make their way to the colon, where they are digested by gut bacteria. Some examples of foods rich in polyphenols are cocoa and dark chocolate, red wine, and almonds. When you have a healthy gut, your gastrointestinal tract has a good balance of gut bacteria and is able to properly digest and absorb nutrients. But when there is an imbalance in your gut bacteria, it may trigger unwanted gastrointestinal symptoms, like diarrhea, as well as mental health issues. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.